down till Liquid play my song. Me nah come down.
Nah, just come down. Don't bother with it. Don't bother with it.
If play my song, look how long the man bar. I beg him play my song. I'm gonna jump him Liquid up.
Nah, just come down. Just come down. Don't jump. Don't jump.
Childhood memory for all the Caribbean people on Instagram. Remember back in the days when the mother used to talk to yourself then spaz out on you for no reason? From morning no day and I watch TV. You take your book from morning!
Ma, can I have some ice cream? You know just have some last week. You think I one day a monkey want a wife?
Remember when you used to look like you used to sneak out for go party? Put your blood clot back in the bed.
I know two people with ALS, otherwise known as Lou Gehrig's disease. And so as I accept Hussein's challenge, I also challenge Brian Laro, Malik Yoba, and Graham Morgan from Morgan Heritage. You have 24 hours.
Where I go, dog? To the gym. You know so something did fish about you, you know.
What?
No, Jim! Jalisa!
What about Panasa gonna sing? I hear something.
Yo, QQ, Venom, see all them have a new dance. When name one drop.
If it's a two drop.
Yeah, remember get one cocoa bread and one patty, chicken patty. Daddy, me can get one patty too. No, you're not gonna get it, you know. What me tell you about begging?
In the arms of the angels.
When I sleep in the sun at bright day.
But daddy, you have $10. I never get $10 yesterday. Move your.
It can be so rude.
Wait.
This Friday, me hear DJ Young Chow party gonna be off the chain. Homie, me can go DJ Young Chow birthday party? You sweep out the house for morning? Yeah, me sweep out the house.
I lie my tell movie, you never sweep up the
You go sweep out the house from now till Friday. Things I wish I could have said to your parents. Get up and go wash the plate them in the kitchen. You go wash them. You busy? When the teacher used to ask me a question in a class, we have 1 plus 1. Who can give me the answer for this? Sir, me, sir. Sir, me know the answer. John.
21.
No, you're wrong. Anyone can answer this 2 plus 2? Anjo? Suck your mother, me don't know the answer.
Grandma, do it for the vine.
You don't see me a sweep.
Do it for the vine.
You don't see me a cook.
Do it for the vine.
Go take up your blood clot book.
I do a chat for we go so cool no matter me damn bad. Holy pussy there.
Hello, Akeem, this is Zimmy. Right now at the ice bucket challenge and we get dominated by Ren. So here I know, I dominate some people right now. You see, I dominate Chip, Roman, Booba, Kai. You see me? Them people let me dominate. Ready? Yo, dog. Easy man, you. Ready?
You ever dip on the phone and your mother embarrass you? Baby, so we never see her again. And too much time me talk to you so when you do you for flush the toilet. Where you left your shit in there for? Me dip on the phone. But dip on the phone, you pay your phone bill? Get up and go flush the toilet. I'll do something for mother and car.
Tell people!
Bun and cheese and sorrel with some white rum in it.
Pussy tighty, pussy tight. No. Please, no, please.
Up to the time, round to the hour. You know it's cartel, easily. Them girl angel.
My body want to be your pussy best friend. Inna your belly, my cocky for your extend. Fuck you.
Anjo, you be here for a morning? No. Go be here.
I be feeling like the man when I walk through.
Beard, yes, mommy. Come and me smell you. Go back in that bathroom.
Honey?
What?
Where's my super suit?
What?
Where is my super suit? Yo, baby. Yo.
Squeeze me, I have a boyfriend.
I may have some steel curry goat in that fridge. How? So,
You don't win some warriors, you don't win some warriors, this one.
Boy, give me your phone.
yes, Trevor has been cursing in my class. Where the bumbo clap me tell you about? Yo, sorry, miss, me don't know where you get.
In the arms of the angel.
Yes, girl, she a breed. Mommy can get me lunch money. She same one. Wait, hold on. Better than Ross manners.
Hey boy, go for the belt. Me a bust your ass. Look how much. Look how much. Go for your switch, car come give me. See it here, mommy. See it here. Wait, Mr. Go for your switch. When Mr. Switch at this, me.
Wake up, man.
Wow. You never did that for box me, you know.
Stop your eyes on.
Smoke this place!
Tiffany, and she do want to take you, man. Bust her head. Hey, girl, shut up and take it in your blood clot.
Ma, can you make something to eat? Go take up a book. Can I go to the park? Go take up a book.
Yo, beg some? Yo, I'm sit dog. You no care.
Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh, you there? Yes, ma. You eat? Alright. Why make a teacher call me today? Bro, I know you see me walking.
I was in the hospital. I died in a car accident.
But isn't that your car out there?
No further questions.
Never answer your mother with that attitude.
Anjo! Yeah! How would that dirty stinking green arm boy they think him out? Come here to me! Yes, mommy.
You check your results? No, mommy. You check it now? No, mommy. You check? No!
Please, that's in a dog.
Put it back before my box in the head back.
Why you violate? Touch me with your butt. Touch me again. Me say touch me one more time.
Go take out the rubbish now. Why you not take it out? Every time they tell me if you do something. She never do nothing in the door. What you say? No.
And so I asked her, girl, do you want me body? Need me body? Want me body? Hi, can I have one fried chicken, please? Give me one fried chicken there, baby.
That's corned beef I'm smelling. No, bully beef! Bully beef! Bully beef! Bully beef! Be a bully beef! Me no call it corned beef!
Honey, I got you a dog for your birthday.
Oh what? Oh you really been to Rastafari? Man I try cook food!
Yo, watch this. Yo, watch this. Yo, watch
No! No!
Akeem, come here to me. Yes, daddy. Why so much dish in the sink?
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside.
Jamaican ads be like, brace jack mackerel, better value, better taste. Holy heap of mackerel, people love.
Daddy can go later. You wash up the 2 liquor plate them? Pardon me there, I think that. How can you say I live in that? I was a man trying to live in that. Oh God! A girl is living in you.
Yeah, man, give me a piece of that now. I'll just take off one small piece.
I think about it too much. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol.
But then tell us something about me now, brother.
You're gonna need me, darling.
Anything is fine. Sitting at the same back talking.
Article yard food, bully beef and rice, plantain and one soft drink.
The pussy tighty. I buy your laptop here. Just bring it back later. Yeah, you didn't know what borrow mean. Will you make me feel
soul.
I want new dance, I've been fine again. I on the street and the lane.
My virgin ears.
30%. Ross man, the field band man. Open me alone. Wait, half a class field? Rascal, I don't know.
Why when Jamaican people think something stink, they be like, Pronzy. Hey mom. Can't that be you? Oh, you're rank, so you not take a shower. Go put some lime under your armpit, man.
If I die, bury me in ganja, lay me down in the gully side.
Jamaicans be like,
Oh goodness, can't shut that. No sir, get fat. Bumbo. America not do nothing for her.
Jamaicans pronounce nothing right. That's a plate. Plate. Fork. Fork. Refrigerator.
Jerome, come lock the fridge.
Deal. Come now. Put the bomb box out there, man.
Hey, pull up a tune if you want this bomb clock thing to go down. Yo, we really rated that.
You don't do them things, man. True, still. You do not do them things, man. You don't do them things. Make sure you don't do it again. Man,
Praise and worship in Jamaican churches be like,
Hey! Man, in the boom upon the Ross ground, but everybody feels like I take it up down. Everybody see that walk past it. Come here and help right now. Who not gonna sit to
So make you not go back to America to your mama where you can't.
Awa. Some of them on my face?
You know you're Jamaican when you say sausage, not sausage. My have 3 jab, not 3.
Dish my dinner out, please.
Fuck off.
No.
You think this is waitress service?
Hey mom. What? You see the kitchen, right? Yeah. Alright. Me not say nothing else, you know.
Jamaicans be like, baby, me can't talk to you. Me have a man. After that, me a look. Are you me a look, you know?
When light bill not pay, this what happen. You can't say nothing to Bumbo Clad. Bumbo! Alright.
Jamaicans be like,
Yes, lad. Take away me dirty baby father. Me hate him.
Go and go clean up the kitchen. Mom, I'm dying. Things are my business. Go on.
Jamaicans be like, I me say good up, I me say money, I me say independent, but I'm still a man of my man. I buy my weave like.
Oh, then get new car now. Think them hot.
Who get new car, mommy?
Go back in that damn room, me too fast.
Back it up and wind up my body, me and wind up my body. Wind up my body, me and wind up my body.
Okay, pick me, get up and do some work.
Wagwan Stacey, yeah, long time. How you doing? Alright, good to see you. Mary, you know she sleep with the pastor, right?
Alright, every time I come out there, I see them blood clot for you. Watch me on them post clot. Watch me on I go and jerk on no Bumbo clot. Watch.
Nah, none feed. Oh shit, mommy never cook a chicken. Have macaroni and shit. Take us, yes!
This is the police. We just want to ask a few questions.